Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my handiest gadgets that I have, and this is the Galaxy Tab A 2018. The version I like about this is that how easy it's just to carry around, take it to different places, read, take your books, watch your movies, listening to the audios, and everything that you want to do just in this little guy here. So as a support guy for my smartphone, sometimes I just don't want to bring my smartphone everywhere around me, and I would have like a dedicated device for me just to read or just to watch videos or to do different things. The good thing is that the Samsung ecosystem is just as reliable as it could get. Every time it's going to work, it's updated, it has a snappy actual driver, and the whole processor and everything just works great in this tablet. So if you're looking for a great device that you can take almost anywhere in just the palm of your hands, like I can actually grab this without no problem. The Galaxy Tab A 2018 just does a great job. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.